Hey team, how's it going? Today we're going to be tackling this giant Ram 2500 series pickup. We're letting the hood warm up a little bit before we get started. We're going to prep it, and I'm going to show you how we do that just after this. Okay, if you know our installs, you know that we usually remove vents like this, but in this case, the 2500 series Ram with the sport hood, the clips break a lot on that. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be putting some glass tape around so we can cut it around it, and we're gonna shove some gel in there and try to clean out those crevices as best as possible to prevent dirt from coming in. What I did remove, just like you've seen me do on the Challengers and Chargers and Durango, is I removed this front hood vent. Now, why do we do that? For one, we want to be able to push the material in, and two, we want to clean it out as best as possible. So I don't know if you can see my finger from there. You probably can. You see how dirty that is? And this truck has, I think, 700 miles on it or something. So it's already filthy because it's been raining around here, and it collects up in here. So we're going to clean all that up. We're going to put some gel in the vents to prevent dirt from coming out, and then we're going to install the hood, and then we're going to do the sides of the vehicle, and then we're going to ceramic coat it.
Right.